next topic sa geometric sequence ay finding the sum of the terms. So, sa ating problem na to, ang sabi is find the sum of the first 10 terms of this sequence. So, ang ating sequence ay nag-consist ng 12, 24, 48, at 26. So, as usual, ang una natin gagawin is kuhain natin yung givens. A sub 1 natin. Ito, first term, 12. Tapos, ang ating common ratio. Unahin natin yung common ratio. Divide lang natin itong 24, yung second term sa first term. So, 24 divided by 12 is equals to 2. At saka yung ating n, hahanapin din natin yung ating n, which is the number of term. At nakalagay naman sa given, ay sa ating problem na 10 yung ating number of term na hinahanap. Tapos, meron na tayong given, isasolve na natin siya, ilalapat na natin yung given sa ating formula. So, S sub 10 is equals to A sub 1, yung ating A sub 1 is 12. Tapos, yan, times 1 minus R, yung ating common ratio is 2, raised to n, ang ating n is 10, tapos divided by 1 minus r again, by 2. Unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis, 12, tapos 1 minus, ito kukumpitin natin, 2 raised to 10 is equals to 1024. Tapos 1 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. Tapos dito na natin nilagay yung kasunod. 1024 minus 1, sagot yun is 1024 minus 1, 1023. Ayan. Tapos negative 1. So, ito times lang natin itong 1023 sa 12. Unahin natin yung numerator. Ay, ano pala guys, since negative yung mas mataas, gagawin natin itong negative 1023. Ang makukuha nating answer dyan is negative 12,276 over negative 1. So, i-divide natin itong 12,276 sa 1. Ang makukuha nating sagot is positive 12,276. So, yun yung ating final answer. S sub 10 is equals to 12,276.